Hello everyone, myself Hanif. Today I am explaining about centrifugal pumps. Centrifugal pumps are among the most widely used machines in industries and worldwide. These machines device convert rotational energy into kinetic energy, creating pressure that moves liquids through pipes and system. Unlike positive displacement pumps that trap and push fluid, centrifugal pumps use a spinning impeller to accelerate liquid outward, creating flow. The beauty of centrifugal pumps lies in their simplicity and relatability, with fewer moving parts than many other pumps types. They require minimal maintenance while delivering consistent performance from water treatment plants to oil refiners, from agriculture irrigation to residential water supply. Centrifugal pumps quickly power our modern world by moving everything from clean to corrosive chemicals. How it works: the magnet of centrifugal force. The working principle of centrifugal force is based on Newton's second law of motion and the concept of centrifugal force. When the impeller rotates at high speed, it creates a centrifugal force that pushes the liquid outward from the center towards the periphery. Key parts: what makes a centrifugal pump thick. First one, impeller. The rotational component, widely curved blades that transfer energy to the liquid. It's the heart of the pump and comes in various designs: closed, semi-open, semi-open impeller depending on the application. Shaft and bearings. The shaft connected to the impeller to the motor, transmitting rotational power. Bearings support the shaft, reducing friction and ensuring smooth rotation at high speed. Drive motor provide the rotational power needed to spin the impeller. Electric motors are most common, but engines or turbines can also drive centrifugal pumps. Volute casing. The spiral shaped housing that surrounded the impeller, it collects the liquid from the impeller and converts its velocity into pressure by increasing the gradually increasing the cross-sectional area. Sealing system prevents leakage where the shaft passes through the casing. Mechanical sealing or packing glands create a weight barrier while allowing shaft rotation. Suction and discharge. Posts from liquid enter the exist. The suction post drags fluid in, while the discharge post pushes liquid out into the system. Types of centrifugal pumps. Different applications require different pumps configuration. Centrifugal pumps are classified based on the various factors including impeller design, flow direction and number of stages. Single stage pumps contains one impeller and are stable for low and moderate pressure applications, common in residential water supply, irrigation and light industries uses, cost effective and easy to maintain. Second one, multi-stage pumps feature multiple impellers in series for high pressure applications. Each stage increases pressure further, ideal for boiler feed system, reverse osmosis and high-rise buildings water supply. Horizontal versus vertical. Horizontal pumps have parallel shaft to round, easier to install and maintain. Vertical pumps have perpendicular shafts, perfect to deep wells and limited space installation. End suction pumps, most common type with horizontal shaft and single suction inlet. Compact design, economical, widely used in industries, process water treatment and HVAC system. Common applications where we will find them: water treatment and supply, clean water distribution, seawater treatment, distillation plants and municipal water system, and and rely highly on centrifugal pumps from for moving large volume efficiently. Petrol industries, oil refiners, pipelines, transport and offshores offshore platforms use specialized centrifugal pumps to handle cur- crude oil, crude oil, crude oil, refined product, and chemical under extreme conditions. Agriculture, irrigation system, drain, and acu- acu- agriculture operation depends on centrifugal pump to transfer water across visit farmlands, ensuring crop irrigation and water management. Heating, heating and cooling, HVAC systems use centrifugal pumps for calculating chilled water heating system and cooling towers in commercial buildings and industry facilities. Chemical processing, manufacturing plants handle acids, solvents, and corrosive substances. Uses corrosion resistant centrifugal pumps with a special material like stainless steel for plastics. Marine applications, ships and vessels use centrifugal pumps for ballast ballast water pumping, cooling engines, and refiring systems in depending marine environment. Troubleshooting tips: keeping our pump running smoothly. Preventing maintenance schedule. Daily check vibration levels. Listen for unusual noise. Verify discharge pressure. Weekly impact seas conditions. Check lubricants levels. Clean external surfaces monthly. Test vibration analysis. Verify alignment. Check bearing temperature annually. Complete overhaul. Replace worn parts. Inspect casing for corrosion. Thank you.